y'all, I'm back again once again with another Michael Kors bag, and this one I got from Bloomingdale's. Here it is, and this is called the Michael Kors double zip crossbody, and it is in the brown with the ultra pink. So here's the front, and as you can see, it has like the little pink right there. Here's the side, and then here is the back, and here is the pretty pink strap, which I think is super duper cute. And if you want to, you can change the strap, because it does, you know, come loose, so you can put whatever color strap you want to do. A brown, and you can do brown. So let me show you guys the inside of the bag. So here's the inside of the bag. There's nothing on this side, but on this side you have 6 card slots. So just in case you don't want to carry a wallet, you can just stick your cards in there. And then in the other side, you're going to have a pocket here that is trimmed in the ultra pink, which is super duper cute. And then on this side, you're going to have a zip pocket trimmed in the ultra pink that is super duper cute. Oh, I still got my receipt. Oh, I got a good deal on this, because this bag retails for $198, and I got this bag for $66, y'all. And I remember that's why I bought it, because they kept marking it down. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get that. So yeah, that's it. Just a little cute little simple crossbody, super duper big. So this is a large size crossbody. So let me try it on for you guys. See, I'm doing better trying them on for you. So here it is. Fix my shirt. So there it is, and it could be a little bit, I like mine a little bit longer. So let me adjust this real, ooh. Let me take this off. Child, I guess it's been in that thing so long, child, it done got kind of stuck. But I like for my crossbodies to hang a little bit. I don't like them. I don't like them all jacked up like that. So, there you go. Now that fits better. So here it is. Super duper cute. And I do have iPhone 12, so y'all know, not 12, 11, so y'all know that'll fit in there. You can actually fit quite a bit in these 2 slots or whatever. So wanted to show you guys that. So yeah, here it is. Like I said, the ultra pink. That pink is really, really cute. Super cute. And I don't know if these came in any other colors, because child, it's like this bag came and went real fast. So I don't know, but like I said, it's called the Michael Kors double zip crossbody. You may be able to find it, I'm not sure, because I don't think I've seen this bag like for sale anywhere else. So I don't know, you may get lucky and be able to still find you one, either new or in good condition. So just want to show you guys that. And y'all already know the drill. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I will get to you guys later. Bye.